Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a zip file on an iPhone. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to download the zip file and then we are going to use a free app to open a zip file and see all the content inside. So for this, what you can do is just go to your app store and simply tap on search bar and simply search for this iZip. Tap on the search bar and you can see this app here. You have to tap on this app, download. It's called iZip. So it will bring you right on this page. You have to download this, and once it's downloaded, just simply tap on open and you are going to see this. You could get access to the zip file if you have it on Dropbox, Google Drive, or even inside your photos. But if it's in document browser, if I press that, it's going to be one of my downloads that I just did over here. So I could go ahead and search. It's going to be in my recent download. So if I press that download, it's gonna say, do you want to open the zip file? I'm going to press yes, and it will say, do you want to unzip all the zip files? I'm going to press yes again, and just like that, it unzipped my folder. That zip folder had HTML, JSON and index files inside of it. So now I could view each one of those very simply right here by clicking it, and it will give me the same experience as if I was doing this on my computer right on my phone. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.